Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play a cannon shot in snooker. A cannon shot is a fantastic way to open up the pack or create potting opportunities. It involves using the cue ball to strike one object ball, which then impacts another. This technique is crucial for breaking clusters of balls and maintaining control of the table. We'll cover the fundamentals to help you execute this shot with confidence and precision, improving your overall snooker game. Executing a successful cannon shot begins with precise aiming. You need to visualize the entire sequence: the cue ball hitting the first object ball, and then that first object ball striking the second. Imagine a line from the first object ball to the second, and then work backward to determine where your cue ball needs to hit the first. This mental rehearsal is vital for judging the correct angles and ensuring your shot achieves its intended. For this fight, equip armor with strong physical and energy resistance. A quick, one-handed weapon is ideal for landing hits during its short recovery windows. During the second phase, try to keep a distance of at least 10 feet to easily evade its projectiles. Conserve your ultimate abilities and high-damage consumables for the third phase, where Butiti Roman II is at its most aggressive and vulnerable to burst damage. Strategically, cannon shots are incredibly versatile. They are excellent for breaking up tight clusters of red balls, especially when they are grouped together near the pink or black spots. You can also use them to nudge a stubborn ball away from a cushion or into a more accessible potting area. Consistent practice is essential to develop the intuition for these complex shots. Start with simple two-ball cannons and gradually increase the difficulty to refine your skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.